The OXO Good Grips Plastic Utility Cutting Board by OXO is a versatile kitchen tool suitable for various cutting tasks. Crafted from durable plastic, this clear cutting board measures 14.75 inches in length, 10.4 inches in width, and 0.5 inches in thickness, offering ample space for slicing, dicing, and chopping ingredients. Designed with convenience in mind, the OXO Good Grips Utility Cutting Board features a rectangular shape that provides a generous cutting surface. The dishwasher-safe material ensures easy cleaning after use, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its manual utility, allowing users to efficiently prep ingredients for their favorite recipes. The included components consist of the OXO Good Grips Utility Cutting Board itself, weighing 695 grams. Overall, the OXO Good Grips Plastic Utility Cutting Board is a reliable kitchen essential that combines functionality with user-friendly design. Whether